Hi, this is Heather from Weifang CY Packaging. Due to the complexity of all materials and processes in the packaging printing industry, today I will introduce you to the lining materials commonly used in boxes. Because we mainly make paper packaging, so if you choose a paper lining like this, it may be cheaper than the other two prices. The internal products will also be well fixed. This lining is relatively soft. Prices will also be higher, suitable for some porcelain and other products that are free of operation. This is the most expensive of the three linings. The labor and materials consumed are more troublesome, suitable for some high-end luxury goods or gift boxes. A gentle friction and setting off for the internal products. If you want to know more, please visit our Alibaba website. Then we can help you make a transaction or obtain information. This is the whole content of this video. Follow us, like us, and see you in the next video. Bye!